ASUS MB169B 15.6 Review 2019. 156-inch Full HD portable USB-powered monitor with a single USB 30 cable for power and data transmission. World's slimmest and lightest USB monitor with a sleek and metallic finish. It needs just one USB cable for both its video signal and power to deliver up to a full HD resolution. Auto-rotating display bundled with the ASUS Smart Case, a two-way adjustable stand and protective sleeve. Minimum system requirement: Windows 7 with 14 GHz Core 2 Dual, 1 GB RAM, Mac OS X 1083, not compatible with MacBook and MacBook Pro. Recommended requirement: Windows 7 with 24 GHz Core 2 Dual or above, 2 GB RAM. Blue light filter. Blue light filter minimizes blue light to reduce eye strain. Please refer the user manual before use. ASUS Rapid Replacement, 3 years warranty, 2-way free shipping. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.